Go!
Here is the small but very powerful brushless DC motors.
And
Remove the fans out of enclosure.
okay. So remove the fans from the enclosure, okay? Okay.
Cut the motors out of their frames.
Okay.
Remove the wings of this fan
Entirely. Right.
And there is not in picture. We need to prepare some propeller and work on the metal surface.
Okay.
And glue it in the metal surface we worked on.
Huh? Can you say one more time?
We glue on
One of the
propellers.
Okay.
We worked on.
Before we glue on one of the propellers, right?
Yeah.
What do we have to do?
We have to cut.
Cut off the plastic shaft?
Cut off the plastic shaft.
Okay. But you still need to do something with the sand towel. You don't remember?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's just skip it, okay? Next.
We have to wait until the propeller goes good. Go well.
Pardon?
Wait until the glues
Harden?
harden
Okay.
and make a drill hole in the propeller.
You need to drill holes in the plastic base of motors. Yeah. Next.
And prepare a skewer. And slide on.
What are those for? The squares.
This is for the
skewers.
make some structure of quadcopter.
Okay, sure.
And slide in the motors, plastic. What we made the drill hole. And attach upside down together.
Okay, sure.
We need another fan, so remove some fans more. There and mount together the two structure of quadcopter.
So mount the other two motors upside down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And what is next?
Use the copper wire to
hold them together. Okay.
And this is the next part of
structure. Okay.
The finished holding structure.
Sure. What is the name of the thing in the middle of the structure?
It is the tube.
Metal
tube.
Okay. It's called brazed tube.
Brazed tube, and the aluminum sheet is under of them.
Okay.
Of it.
Sure.
And cut the wire for this.
For soldering?
Yeah.
Soldering? So how do you solder? So what do you solder with?
There is.
You solder long, thin and flexible pieces of wire,
Yeah.
right? To the contraption. Okay. Next.
till the
glue harden.
wires, yeah,
Okay.
wire harden, and spray some oil on there.
Okay.
And finally, test this electronic to 4 to 12 volts. Next, do 12 to 8 volt
Bolt.
to test one more time. And then
And finished, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you just finished the step number step one. Okay. All right. So I have a question. So since the in the movie clip, right, the video clip, since the inventor has been dealing with so many BLDC motors at his lab, what is he intending to do for viewers?
according to reading, the inventor tried the quadcopter project that using some cheap material, but he had two questions of them.
Okay.
The first is that the BLDC motors can be used in the quadcopter because the motor is too important because it have to lift the quadcopter from the ground.
Off from the ground.
From the
Okay. All right.
And second question is that the materials named carbon fiber needs to make this quadcopter, but it's too expensive to buy. So he wondered the cheap plastic that can instead of the carbon fiber. Finally, I think that he have to find some new material instead of some expensive things and complete his theory.
All right. So we have just finished the quadcopter project number one. Okay. All right. I think it's better. I think it's for us to move on next level. Okay. All right. Okay. You have done it so well. Okay. All right. Bye bye.